In this video, I'll show you where to find the OBD port and the VIN number on a BMW F10. First, let's start with the OBD port. The OBD port is located in a standard position on the driver's side, under the steering wheel on the left. Now let's move on to the VIN number. On this car, the VIN number can be found in two locations. The first location is under the hood, on the right side, stamped on the chassis rail. The second location is on a sticker on the strut tower when you open the front passenger door. This sticker also shows the VIN number, body color, and other vehicle information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.